Risotto al salto. You know, you guys send me a lot of emails, a lot of questions, and I love them. But I must say, the one that you ask me most is, when is Grandma going to be on? Grandma Mima. And today she's on. Ciao, nonna.
Ciao, Bella.
Come stai?
Molto bene, grazie. Per la mia età, perfetto.
Per la mia età, for my age, perfect. Vuoi dire quanti anni hai? Do you want to tell them how old you are?
I have no secret. I'm finished 96 and I'm going 97.
Okay, that's a nice number, huh? Today we're going to make Grandma riso al salto.
Vuoi che salto?
No,
Io
you-
lo salto dentro.
Saltare means to jump. She wants to know if she's her turn to jump. Not really. It means that when you have some risotto left over from the day before, what do? Well, the next day you make a riso al salto. And riso, rice, al salto means to the jump. That means that you incorporated some cheese, some eggs, some parsley, and you make like hamburgers and you just crisp them. Al salto, you flip them over. Just the addition of an egg, a little bit of salt, just like that. Grandma, you like risotto?
I do very much.
We'll put some parsley in here, and we'll put cheese. And you love cheese, I know that.
Oh, yeah, it's my favorite.
Okay, and then this will kind of mix it in together. So the cheese binds, the egg binds.
If you need help,
You want to mix a little bit?
if you want.
Go ahead. All right. So while she's mixing that up, I'm going to put a little...
Smell nice.
Smells good? I'm going to put a
Yummy,
little...
yummy.
Who's going to talk here now? That's going to be a problem. I'm going to look for to jump in now and then.
Now you can continue.
Thank you, Grandma. So a little bit of oil in the pan. Let's make, that's one. You like it nice and crisp, I know, Grandma. You like the...
Sure, I like that. I'm still a good eater. Even if they big one, it's okay.
You like a big one?
Yeah.
I'll give you two, Grandma, don't you?
No. One is enough.
Okay, we'll give you one.
One will be enough.
Okay. And one more. There you go. So these little riso al salto, or like risotto pancake, you can almost call them. You get them going in the pan, nice and crispy. So, Grandma, what are your memories of rice?
When I was younger, I love rice, but if you want to know the truth, my mother doesn't have so much money to go to buy for me rice. She used to give me so often. But I can find out the way you cook and the way you prepare that you are very economic too. Because you use what was like leftover, you use again, and it's maybe more tasty than the first day.
You're right, that we always used everything. And your mother, which was my Nonna Rosa, she made sure she didn't waste a single crumb of anything.
Do you know what come in my mind? She used to tell me, you find out when you get older, if you save. And she said to me, soldin, più soldin, fa fiorin. You explain in English, you know better than me.
So she says, you know, if you save when you're young, then when you're old, you'll realize that. And soldin, let's say penny by penny, collect enough penny, and you'll make $1. Fiorin is the big money. Soldin più soldin, fa fiorin. So accumulate the pennies and you'll get to the $1. Okay. So, Grandma, this is getting nice and crispy.
They look beautiful too.
Okay.
Nice and shiny.
That's it. Good. So we'll let that cook. And I think with that, I will make a little salad, just a little salad on top. What do you think?
Why not?
A little bit of salad like that. You have your garden going? We're going to have salad this summer?
I wait for the sun to come out a little bit more. They were very slow this winter.
But we will have a lot of salads because I bought you a lot of seeds. You told me you want to see.
But I cannot have before the May, April.
May, April, we're going to do that?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it.
So, Grandma, you're always full of sayings or proverbi.
I can tell you a line of them if you want.
Okay.
I mean, you look a little bit like me e you take clare things from me. Un proverbio dice, il frutto non cade lontano dall'albero.
Ah, okay. So the apple doesn't fall too far from the tree.
Or they say,
Tal madre, tal figlia?
you
see?
look a little bit like me, too.
You mean
have
I'm
the same-
good looking like you?
You better do.
All right, I'll take that.
Ti dico un altro che forse non ti piacerà. Chi va con l'asino impara a ragliare. Dimmi con chi vai, ti dirò chi sei.
So he who goes with the donkey learns how to ragliare.
Questo è ragliare.
There you go. So I'm taking these out.
Fai bene, bene ricevi.
Told you, we're in. Fai bene, bene ricevi. Do well, and you shall receive well.
And I
Give me
have
2 minutes now. Give me 2 minutes. Girl.
Okay.
I just want to tell them. So you see, these I'm going to let just a little bit drain here. We have ours ready there. Let me just, okay. Un poco di vino con questo. Aspetta.
Wow.
Can you pour us some wine?
Can you believe that?
That's my glass.
I will be stingy with you. I take more for me.
Yeah?
Maybe a little bit more.
Yeah, put a little more.
Because I
Grandma.
have a couple of years more than you.
Should I put a little salad on top?
On the side, on top, any way you like.
Like this? Or is this okay?
Perfect.
And this is for me. Let's get into this and tell me how you like it. You like it?
I'm in a hurry to eat now. I smell the rice, I smell the cheese, very good.
Grandma, when we do these things, we always invite them to come and eat with us. So we take a glass and let's be very cordial and let's invite them to come and join us.
Alla salute.
Alla salute e tutti a tavola
A mangiare e bere.
and drink. That's what Grandma says.
And do you want me to sing before the drink?
Do whatever you like, Grandma.
Bevevano i nostri padri,
Sì,
bevevano le nostre madri.
sì.
E noi che
E figli siamo, beviamo. E noi che figli siamo, beviamo.
Salute.